Hiccups aren't random. Biologically, they're a reflex glitch. They happen when the diaphragm contracts involuntarily, and the brain sends a mistimed signal to the breathing muscles. This reflex is so old that even fetuses experience hiccups before they're born. The uncomfortable truth is this: hiccups are a leftover survival mechanism with no clear modern purpose. Your nervous system fires a pattern it doesn't fully need anymore, but still remembers. That's why hiccups feel sudden, repetitive, and hard to stop. It's not weakness, it's ancient wiring.